Right, 32 is a power of 2, no bother. 32 is 32 to the power of a half. 32 is 2 to the power of 5 to the power of a half. This means it's 2 to the power of 5 over 2, or 2.5. Real good. Now, I'm going to have 16 to the power of x minus 1. I'm going to have 2 to the power of 1. And I'm going to have what I changed root 32 into, which is 2 to the power of 5 over 2. Well, I'm just going to shift back 16. What will I get? 2 to the power of 4. Multiply 4x minus 4. Add 1 plus 2.5 gives you 3.5. And then what you should get here is 4x minus 4 equals 7 over 2. You get 8x minus 8 equals 7. You get 8x equals 15. X equals 15 over 8. Now, if you think you're wrong, is there an instant way we can check if we're right? What can we do? Anybody? Just go back to the original question and plug in 15 over 8 and see if it works out for you. Check that both sides are the same thing. So, if I go up here and I put in 16 to the power of 16 power 15 over 8, take away 1, I get 11.313, whatever, yeah? Then I go to the other side and say 2 root 32. Also 11.313. I know I'm right. We move on. Took 10 seconds to check. Okay? Now, let's move on to question 9. And now, question 9. Alrighty. Which part? Both of them or one of them? Both. Both. Alright. Always look at the middle parts. What do you think the y substitution for the first one's going to be? Y equals 2 to the power of x. Are we cool with that? Square both sides. What do you think y squared will equal? 2x to the power of 2, which is, anybody? 2x, yeah? What can we convert this equation into then? Y squared minus 9y plus 8 equals 0. Y minus 8, y minus 1 equals 0. Y equals 8, y equals 1. 2 to the power of x equals 8. We know that 8 is 2 to the power of 3, so this means x equals 3. What about the next part? 2 to the power of x equals 1. 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 0, because 2 to the power of 0 is 1. This means x equals 0. Are we cool with that? Right. No. Alright, go on. Where did you lose? Okie dokes. So, solve the following equation. I'm going to do this one first. 3 to the power of x minus 28 plus 27. Can anybody tell me what to do with 3 to the power minus x? Thank you. 1 over 3 to the power of x. Now, that looks horrendous, doesn't it? Doesn't look nice. Pick a letter of your choosing. We'll pick y. Let y equal what? 3 to the power of x. Now what does it become now? Y minus 28 plus 27 times 1 over y equals 0. And isn't that much more achievable looking, isn't it? So what do you do next then? So give everything a y on the bottom. So it's going to be y squared over y minus 28 over y plus 27 over y equals 0. What happens to those y's on the bottom? Cancel, don't they? What do I have left then? Yeah, y minus 27 and y minus 1 equals 0. Y equals 27 and y equals 1. What was the substitution I used? 3 to the power of x equals 27. And what is 27? 3 to the power of 3. This implies that x equals 3. And finally, what about the next part? 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of x equals 1. 3 to the power of x must equal 3 to the power of 0. This implies x equals 0. We all on board? You guys really quickly try 15 on your own. Try 15 on your own.